In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Realm of Mystery on PC step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Realm of Mystery website or a trusted game platform like Steam or BlueStacks, depending on where it's available. In the search bar, type Realm of Mystery and press enter. Once you find the game, click on it to open the store page. There, you'll see details about the system requirements, reviews, and installation size. Click the download or install button to start the process. If it's a paid game, complete the payment first. After downloading, the setup file will appear in your downloads folder. Open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the game on your PC. Choose your preferred location for installation, then click finish once it's done. Now, launch the game either from your desktop shortcut or directly through Steam or BlueStacks. Log in or create a game account if needed. Once you're in, adjust your graphics and control settings for the best experience. And that's it. You're ready to dive into the world of Realm of Mystery and start your adventure on PC.